Today on the Bondo Brothers, Humberto's welding up the core support, getting ready for the firewall and all the other goodies. Whoa! Music by Deep Purple. Humberto owns the copyrights. AKA Pedro. What do you got going on today, Humberto?
I don't know. Don't point it to me.
Right now, he's welding up some plug welds for the body mount. This is Rush playing on XM radio. We do not own the copyrights.
Reminds me of this great story, Bronco Core, great movie called Rock and Rush, a long time ago. When he put out his solo record,
Next step, be adjusting this door. Going to install it. Then we're going to install the floor pans. Install the center right there. Tech screw it all together. Get our door gaps adjusted perfect. And move on from there. Start welding. All our plug welds are drilled. Ready to weld the door posts in. Plug welds all ready. Plug welds are the same as spot welds, just a different way of doing it.